Put a powerful new spin on closing wheel performance and effectively close the seed trench with a Twister closing wheel from Yetter Farm Equipment. Closing the seed trench is a critical step on the road to even germination and increased yields. It's the final step in a process that started in the fall and winter when you invested time and money into planning for seed, fertilizer, herbicide, and other inputs. You also spent countless off-season hours making sure your planter and equipment were set up to achieve your yield goals. Don't make the mistake of thinking the job is done when you climb into the tractor. If the seed openings in your fields aren't closed correctly, you are putting all your hard work at risk. The Twister closing wheel has a twisted spike design that breaks down sidewall compaction caused by planter opener discs. A rounded center ring maintains wheel depth, while the twisted spikes crumble soil, allowing it to form around the seed and eliminate air pockets. This enhances seed-to-soil contact for earlier germination and even emergence. Made out of durable polyethylene, Twister closing wheels are the ideal solution to changing weather and field conditions. They deliver closing performance when it counts. Twister closing wheels also work in a wide range of tillage practices, including conventional, minimum till, strip till, vertical tillage, and no-till. Quick and easy to install, Twister closing wheels are available as whole wheel assemblies or as ring-only options that pair with existing plastic wheel halves on planters. The Twister closing wheel is field proven by our customers and by third-party studies to improve seed trench closure, increase yields, and achieve positive ROI. Don't rely on rubber closing wheels to seal seed openings because every year and every field is different. Step up your closing performance with the Twister closing wheel from Yetter Farm Equipment. The Twister closing wheel is part of the complete Yetter closing wheel lineup. Visit yetterco.com for options or additional information.